This is just a short video to show something I've found that's really useful as a rear bag. I have this pouch by Brompton that just sits under the saddle, and I use that to keep a small padlock. I very rarely use a small padlock, but it's just in case I'm in a restaurant or somewhere like that and I need a toilet, I can just quickly chain the bike up and then come back. But I also keep another small bag in this saddle bag. I'm in Thailand at the moment, and I found the bag from 7-Eleven is a perfect fit. It's just got the right size of handles and the size of bag to fit over the saddle and not come in contact with the roller wheels. This is how it fitted on the bike. I've got two litre bottles in here, and you can see it's just short of the top wheels, so it's perfect height. And the straps are good length as well for just going over the top of the saddle, and then when you sit on here you secure it down. It's good as like an emergency bag if you've not got enough space in your front bag, or you've not got a front bag on at all. So there's probably other bags that will fit well, but it seems to be the length of the strap is key, and also the size of the bag so it doesn't go down and interfere with your wheels. Yeah, it's a good thing to know. I always keep one in my little saddle bag.